And how about this base?
So Dana, this is actually what we refer to as an Onyx base. So Onyx is a lifetime guaranteed material through the manufacturer. And what we really like about this particular material, especially when it comes to accessibility and things like that, is it gives us the ability to actually customize that base. So when you're looking at the bench seat that you're sitting on right now, it allows us to kind of configure it toward that. And also, if you can notice the notch here, we can also go around corners, and it doesn't have to be a perfect rectangle, which is really nice. But the biggest feature that a lot of people that I work with enjoy about this is the fact that we can actually get this down to a height of about 1 7/8 inches, which makes it the lowest base that we have, which makes it incredibly accessible.
Does it also come with something that makes it more wheelchair accessible for the front?
Yep, and that's another great thing too, is that the Onyx actually has some accessibility things that comes with it. You can do like ramps with these types of things. They can go on either side of that particular entry, so that if you're in wheelchair accessibility mode, that's obviously going to be a helpful thing for you as well. We also use these bases when we do like recess bases too. If you're looking for a true zero entry, these are great for that as well.